Hi, I'm Sarah Ellis with Jesse James Beads. Welcome to our Jewelry 101 series. Today I'm going to be showing you the proper technique to open and close jump rings using 2 pairs of chain nose pliers to ensure that you have a secure closure. So let's get started. To attach your bead to your bangle bracelet, we're going to be using a 6mm jump ring. We'll need our bangle, our bead, and 2 pairs of chain nose pliers. Grasp your 6mm jump ring between 2 pairs of chain nose pliers. To open your jump ring, you want to use a twisting motion to twist the jump ring open. Never pull the jump ring apart side to side. Always open your jump ring laterally. Thread the wrapped loop on the top of your bead onto your jump ring and thread the jump ring onto your bangle bracelet. Using 2 pairs of chain nose pliers, grasp the jump ring again and use the same lateral motion to close the jump ring back together, creating a secure closure. Repeat these steps as many times as you want to fill up your bangle bracelet with your beautiful dangle beads.